I'm Hayley Kay and welcome to another G-Vlog. You catch us here in the auditorium for a very, very special occasion. The Russian State Ballet of Siberia are here at the theatre for the next few days. They're performing the Snow Maiden, Swan Lake and the Nutcracker, and some specially selected students have had an unmissable opportunity, and that is to have a masterclass with the stars. So let's find out how they get on.
My name is Ansel, I am 11 years old. I go to St Aidan's and I learn dancing at Langley Dance Centre. It feels amazing and I just can't believe that I actually got in to do this. I can't believe that it actually happened.
Hi, I'm Emma Tilbury, I'm 14, I go to Whitakers and St Aidan's. I love dancing, I want to be a dancer when I'm older, so I'm really excited to look at the professionals and see what it's like. So in ballet I'm in grade 6 and I do intermediate foundation as well.
Hi, I'm Dana Katic, I am 10 years old and I go to Catswood Red Shoes and my school is Stanley Primary School.
Tell us about when you go dancing. How does dancing make you feel?
It makes me feel happy and wonderful and it's a good way to express how you feel.
Hi, my name's Gabrielle.
Hi, I'm Dana.
Hi, my name's Chloe.
And how was it being on stage with all those amazing dancers? Tell us what happened.
It was just
in class.
amazing. It was the best feeling ever. It was awesome.
I want to be a professional ballerina like Darcy Bussell.
Same.
It's a new life for me. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me.
I think it's a wonderful opportunity just to be in a theatre, to see a theatre in its sort of working sense as opposed to the performance. You know, we all come to the pantomime, but this is, you know, almost like that backstage feel and seeing the dancers in their rehearsal gear and, you know, the practicing that goes on and the backstage and perhaps the untidiness of it all adds to the excitement. I think it's a tremendous opportunity.
I think it's quite a good experience for the children because obviously they get to see what goes on before it. You come to see a show, you only see 2 hours of it, but there's a lot of setup before that, warming up, things like that. I think it's a great experience, it's brilliant.